No, she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Morning guys, I hope this is going to work this time because I'm pretty sure I just videoed in slow motion because I'm not used to my new vlog camera. I got myself a vlog camera, well, it with my Christmas money, but obviously I haven't got that yet, but I didn't want to miss out on the Black Friday sales, so I bought it early. But I bought myself a Sony ZV-1F, I think is what it's called. So yeah, really excited to up the gear, so make sure you watch because this costed me a decent amount of money. Hi Mary. So please watch the vlogs and make sure to like, comment and subscribe. But anyway, today's vlog is Mary's lesson. We've got our first lesson back with my instructor Ruby, so that's super exciting. So yeah, I'm just going to mark out the horses quickly and then put them out ready for, yeah, Mary can have about an hour out in the field, and then I'll get her in and get her ready for a lesson. So yeah. Okay guys, tack is out, ready to go. Everything's out. Just need to go and get Mary now. Right guys, let's go and get Mary. Probably doesn't want to come in, she's only been out for about an hour, but she doesn't have a choice. Mary! What are you doing? Why's your hay this side of the fence? Come on, Mary. Mum. She's like, where are you going without me? God. It's very windy. I don't even know if you're even going to be able to hear me, to be honest. But yeah, just getting Mary in now. Covered in mud. So let's give her a good old groom. Look at this. I wondered why I was so zoomed in. Mary. Hello, my dog. Hello, my dog. Let's get her off.
They didn't think I would fall.
Yeah,
I must have fallen.
I didn't think I'd
straight
fall so
away.
quickly this.
I ended up having iron
Talking about
injections
babies
with
and I'm...
Vinny because I was so low.
Whoa.
Okay, right, just go large once after this, or in the bigger circle. Okay, and then can you feel on that circle there? She's completely falling in. Yeah. Okay. So weight back in the outside hand. So bring the left hand back. Okay, that's it. Then come back on your smaller circle. Don't let her bend the neck too much. Okay. Left hand back even more. Weight in your left heel. That's it, that's it. Don't worry that her comes up. That's better. Okay, let her go last one. And then just soften the inside hand when you go bigger. Don't let the neck bend too much. Outside hand back, outside hand back, outside hand back. That's it. One more time, outside hand back. That's it. Right, now just soften that inside hand a little bit. There you go, there you go. Okay, let her come back to wall.
My core is hurting just watching that.
Your what is hurting?
My core.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Circle, outside hand back. Outside hand back. That's it, still more. Christ!
I don't want to die.
Let's come back. Stay coming in.
Whoa.
That's it.
Well, I'm
That's it. That's it. Keep left hand back. Wait, wait. That was super tight.
power is
I know she's strong.
crazy. Oh my god. Woo! Whoa!
Shoulders back, left hand back. That's it. Left hand back, left hand back. Wait, wait, good job. Well done. Good. That's fine. You can stop again. Wait.
Oh my god.
Just circle if you want. Circle. Get her straight through the neck. Right. Good, well done. Outside hand back, outside hand back. Circle, outside hand back, open the inside hand. That's it, Terry, well done. Good, soften the inside, come again. There you go, she's settling to you. You know, you've got to work through it. Outside hand back. Right. I know it's hard.
Oh my god.
Good, get back. Open into that outside hand back. Don't put the outside hand over. Don't put it over. Good, good. Stay tall. Whoa, whoa. Outside hand back, outside hand back. Stay tall. Right, one more circle there. She was a bit too bendy through the neck still. Open the inside hand, open the inside hand, outside hand back. Yeah, see, now you can bring your outside leg on. Give her a big thrust, okay, walk. Back. Wait, Good. So, outside hand back. Outside hand back. Look at your face. She's fine there. Outside hand. Outside hand. Straightness. Right. Go. So.
Whoa! Oh my god.
Circle. Outside hand back. Fine. Carry on. Just circle until you've got the canter back. Good girl. Outside hand back. Outside hand back. Outside hand back.
Oh my god.
Well done. That's alright. That's good. That's good. She's there now. Keep the outside hand. Outside hand.
Where am I going? I have no idea.
Good girl. Good choice. Outside hand. Outside hand. Keep her straight. Good.
Oh, fuck.
Good.
Jesus.
Okay. Do you want another snack? Straight through the net. That is the biggest concern. Look, of course he's going to jump that. Right hand back. Right hand back. Right. Good girl, Terry. Good. Outside hand back. Sit there. Right, stop. Stop. Sorry. Stay there. Good. Please slow too early. Let her go your top arm and just let her slow down there. I know. That's why she buggers off afterwards. You want the baby?
Do it. Boop, 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 boop. Oh my. Woo. Oh,
Whoa! Outside hand, circle. Keep her straight through the net. Good.
oh my god. They are drowned rats. Drowned rats. Oh my god. We are absolutely drenched. Aren't we, Mary? We are drenched. Oh my gosh, guys, that weather is awful. What is my luck? Like, look at my hair. Maybe you can see. Look at this. So I apologise for the lack of videos, but it's actually really hard to video when you've got a brand new camera that you don't want to get wet, but you're trying to vlog. Like, what is my actual luck? But yeah, Mary's just got her ice boots on. Let me show you. Booties on. Just going to quickly hot oil her with the Tours hot oil. If I can zoom in. There it is. And then I'll put her out in that, which is rain, if you can't see. So, yeah, let's put you out. Mary. carrot stretches. Come on. Honestly, right, let's get Mary's rug on and she can go out in the field for the rest of the day in the rain. This weather is awful, honestly. I've put my eco dry on now because I'm absolutely freezing. Freezing cold. Can you not stand on me, please? I know. I don't put up somewhere. Just gonna put some cooling gel on her legs now, just to help cool the muscles and tendons and ligaments down. Right, that is Mary done, ready to go out. Yeah, let's put her out. Just need to get some treats for her. Treats. Change her head collar over quickly. Let's go. I'm not even sure it's even focusing on me. Honestly, it's like a new learning process for this thing. I don't know how to use it. This is my first test today, so if this vlog isn't that great, don't judge, okay? Because this is the first one with the new camera. I'm still learning stuff about it. I did like loads of Googling last night, but you know how it is. It's not that easy. A lot more difficult than a phone, and also it's getting soaking wet, and I don't know if it's allowed to get wet, but oh well. Right, out in the rain we go. You know, Mary's like, I'm getting soaked. There you are, sorry. Unfortunately, you have to get soaked. Oh, Bri, no. You don't want to be out in the rain. No, Mummy, I don't. I know, good boy. God, literally getting absolutely soaked here. Bye, Mary. Bye, Mary. I know the camera's getting soaked. Honestly, the vlog life. This is the vlog life for you. I'm just gonna get Mary some hay. But it's pretty much us done, I feel like. I don't know what the footage is going to be like. I'm actually terrified to watch it back. Let's say bye with Ryan. It's blurry! because of the rain. Let's sign out with Ryan. So, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I don't even know how long it's going to be, but I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed Mary's first lesson back. And yeah, hopefully only up from here, right? Possibly it couldn't get any worse. Oh, Ryan disagrees. He said it could get worse. But yeah, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.
No, she got the good vibes when